Look at that. That could have been why your gas mileage sucked.
Dude, that's terrible.
Oh my god.
It's like there's a mouse living in here.
Oh my gosh. Is that leaves? That's in my air
The
filter.
air filter out of and it is completely.
I've never seen one that bad
I've
before.
never seen it either. Some mouse built a nest in there, and
How? If I keep driving this thing every day.
that's what blows my mind. How?
Yeah. I know. I'm showing everybody right now. Well, right now what we're doing is we're replacing the the water pump because the water pump is leaking in the truck, as I explained last video. So there's the new water pump right here. So we're gonna put that in after we get the old one out, figure out the problem, and then we're also, as announced for another truck mod, we're putting a new cold air intake in there. It's by K&N, the world's best air filter. Performance air intake system. So this is what we're putting in the truck for the mods. So truck mods continue. But right now we got to get the water pump out, put that in, and then put that in. So this is the terrible. Jeez.
He's got one. It doesn't look like a nonsense to it.
That it will.
There's the old one. Water pump is down there.
Oh, that thing doesn't come out. That doesn't come out. So you have to get all that shit out of there.
Yeah.
Keep on saying it.
It's all.
It's just coming out.
I think we have enough to get. If
See, probably I could do this one right here too. Pull this off, and then pull this off. So here, one of you
well, then
guys-
you're gonna want to pull it off down there. That way you can get max fluid.
If I pull it off right here.
No, but
I hate breaking hoses like that. The seals on the hoses. Does that have what kind of connection is that down there?
yeah, you're right.
See, breaking this is. I don't like doing that. I'm gonna have to break it up here to get this off.
Okay, so he's working on that. Matt's working on the new air intake. So there's some pieces. He's putting the sensors in right now. But meanwhile, here's the new water pump that's going in.
I'm saying you're gonna have to. Yeah, the one they have at Advance, it bolts into this. It bolts into it, and then you pull.
Yeah, I've seen them.
That's what you're gonna have to get.
Right now, that engine pulley down there is stuck on. So we're trying to get it off. And it's a bitch to get off.
How is that gonna?
So look, you're gonna have it out just enough. Alright. And you're gonna have this behind here. It's probably gonna be about right here. It's gonna be prying on it. That way when you hit that, it's creating like a
Oh yeah.
it's basically being like this, but as a screw.
Sorta, but this thing is attached to the engine, so it ain't like it'll just create vibration is all.
And
But
that's
see,
what-
you can't get that completely behind it.
Trust me. Just try it.
I said Matt is brilliant.
We got it
Came up
off.
with a great idea.
Yeah, but then at least you didn't have to stick that whole wheel puller in there, get it all up. You got it up.
Yeah.
But now what I'm worried about is just the wrong pump we have.
I hope not.
Where's the new pump at?
It's got the 4 holes in it.
It's right here.
See if this cap comes off.
I don't think it's a cap.
It's the old pump.
I think it does. Did you look at the new one? See how the new one has this little set on it?
No shit. I'll show you. I can show you a picture. I was able to.
I don't like the Santa Claus.
I was able to pull my thumb apart. I've learned to be more careful now.
Yeah, all it takes is, once and you go, damn, I'll do that again.
Well, I didn't even go to the hospital, which I should. That looks pretty sweet, though. Sucking all the air.
Oh yeah. I heard a squeak.
I'm watching it. I did sleep.
Steaming too.
That smells like antifreeze.
Yeah, it's wet.
Oh, not that hose. That hose. Hit it. That motor was like, oh my god, what just happened?
Maybe once it heats up, it won't leak.
Yeah, I highly doubt that.
There's another one.
Has it leaking slower though?
But the drips are not hitting the pulley. I could have swore I saw it coming right out of the fucking pulley.
Then you must have. So let's say that so we don't say something that.
She's fighting for traction.
Yeah, nice. Listen to that growl. Man, that's good.
Let's put that in.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
The muffler gives you oxygen, more oxygen to the lungs.
Right. True that. Yep, Matt still has his bike over here. He's taking it home now. That's a nice bike. Sure, you'll be seeing it on the channel later.
A lot of shit back here. Not that red strap gauge, the one that goes over the handlebar.
I don't know. You said red thing, so bye. So Matt's leaving in his Chevy Silverado and his dirt bike. See ya. While he's driving away. So here we go. We got the cold air intake installed. 10 times more horsepower. And you saw that air filter, so now we should get better gas mileage. So what a way to start off 2019 with the first video, the cold air intake mod. And thanks for Matt's help. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed the first 2019 video. Talk to you guys soon.